Hi. Hi. How are you guys? Today my mother will be working in the beach. So I've been looking for some fun stuff. We're gonna have a bucket. So let's see what kind of fun stuff we can find. You can already see something like a shell. It's a shell. So guys, it's a shell. I have to wash it off.
No, when I reach the end, where they want to in there.
So guys, I'll put it in my bucket. So first let me split it out.
She just a look at excuse to go in the water. I'll tell she now. So.
Let's see. I found some more shells. I found a bone. I don't know what it is. I will go right now to find shells. That's our goal right now. Ooh, I found a smooth shell.
I don't know if I could hear she. But
Whoa! This is my first ever, like, looking like this shell I ever find. And listen to this.
look at that crowd.
I know. Hold this too, please.
More your bucket.
A dead crab. Well, half of a dead crab. Please.
For what?
Let me. No, go ahead, cover.
Don't touch the crab.
I know. Don't forget there was a crab here. No,
See yourself to find one on the beach or find one. See another one, yeah.
wait, let me take a. Ooh. Let me take a them the behind it. So guys, I have to go back because I already.
Wait. Don't mind she excitement. This is the first time she get a bucket and could pick up shells. She had a bigger bucket where he mash up. So. I don't want to go in the water, but I see glass down there. The green.
What's this?
Put it down.
Oh, I put on my phone too. Can I put this in there?
No.
Hold it. Should I put that? Yeah, I want to put that in the phone.
Your cracks could go in the water. You know what? Come put some water in there.
Huh?
Put some little bit of water in there and wash off the shell.
Okay, you tell me already.
Why should I tell them on the sun? Oh. She know what she's doing here. That pure sand.
That sand is water.
Let me see.
See? Sand. I mean water.
Try this thing now.
Okay, so guys, I find a nice variety of stuff.
Water harder. I see water harder, yo.
As I said, I find a nice variety of stuff. Let me put it on the sand.
Come, take up this up.
Wait, let me put this back in the water. Yeah. Ooh, let me see.
I we got more walking now.
I know.
We're just a take up by here. You got more faster. Let us go. I know we're gonna make with this. This will look good too. This look good. You have to come back up here. Cause me can't swim. A lot of shell up here.
Guys, what can she say?
Come up here. What is this? What is that?
See rock. Ooh, see rock and a shell. Did I get it?
If I want, I could drill a hole in them and you put them for your key. See if you find the key ring them. What? Challenge this stone. Why may I pick up the big shell and fall up here, not the small one there. It's all the big shell in there. Let me see what is this.
Yes, mommy, let me go for it, let me go for it, let me go for it.
That piece of glass water.
Yeah, this is glass.
It is not sea glass. Somebody tried to mash up glass water in there.
It is sea glass. Yes.
Let me see.
It feels like sea glass.
Please to check down that glass water. Come.
And then, oh, there's a frog right past that.
I want to shell here.
The cool one here. Let me watch it out so that I can see properly. Guys, this is the shell that my mother was talking about. It's so cool. Okay, guys, I have
There's another one here.
I have to change the water, mommy.
Well, look at wait until we reach the pool. So try that way. Straight way if you are straight way. See another shell there.
Come in.
You gotta fall, you know.
We'll find another one, or is it just...
Throw with that air. See a shell there. I see another one there. Come, let's go. Cause we're on a job. Put this in my bag. This is full of sand. Put that in my bag.
You have full of sun. Okay, come in back. You want it too far.
Hurry up. So, we have all the way out there to go. And, yeah.
Oh, walk in the water for a little bit.
You want me to stay how the pool to go in and you're not walking in the water. Do I want this?
No,
Nah. They look good, but no. You guys are a lot of them there. Don't pick it up. Get a lot of tiny shells.
no.
Yeah. The water empty.
Yes, guys, the water is so empty. There's only like a little bit of boats in the water. A brown pelican! This is my first time ever seeing a brown pelican at the beach. The other times I have seen a brown pelican at home. So real.
Brown pelican don't come up for hanging son.
We have time. Guys, the leaf up. I want to see brown pelican.
Where?
On the pole. The little pole.
Brown pelican don't come all the way up there.
Oh, the over.
So this will be a video of us walking on the beach until we reach the end. So y'all will be watching the water
Yes.
and enjoying the sounds while
Yeah, my mom is mine shells and the brown pelican. Right there, you make close over like this, but I'm trying to go. Oh, and you put a pen on the floor.
Just to walk up.
Uh-huh.
Go up there. The sun will get hot. The sun is killing me. My hand shaky. Nobody could hear you. So, with this beach, even though you're walking a straight line, the more forward you go to the other side, the more closer the water come up to you. So, that's what I tell Mena to stay up on the shore, because the farther you go, across the part, the beach, the more the water come up to you. That's a water. Water. So, you see? See that the same way where she will walk all the time, see how far the water reach out. Come out the water, please. Somebody's dog was here. I don't know if I could see, but yeah. There's no more cool shells. There's no more cool stuff.
I'm still being able to go in water.
Come up, please. Come up out the water, up here. You made make me talk a lot, you know. See now, we'll get vexed and come back. That's not the hot bath water. That is not the hot bath water. That is not the water for the hot bath room, you know. The hot bath water over so. Go over more. Out the water. What? See some birds. I don't know if I could see them. I can't see them in the thing. The small little birds there. Yeah. In this whole video, I don't know if I could hear us. Mostly water. What? You see how deep that may be? Yeah. Oh, and you don't listen. Look, see Mars. I'm not taking it off.
Okay, let's go. Oh, look, something's over there.
What?
Something's over there. Down. From the column.
See how far, close up are we there? See there? The water deeper. You want me to out the water? Look how she got she's kept dirty.
Ah,
Go up on the sand, man.
oh, there's no more water. So guys, it's happening outside. It's so crazy that much.
Somebody that come here to chill out every day, I guess.
Oh, man. We have to walk lower.
It look cool.
Yeah.
I wonder who else come here.
Cool. With the men of all underground below.
Ever see?
Okay guys, so now me and my mother was admiring the place.
Yes, starfish.
They catch all of those fancy stuff.
Don't touch it.
Like sea stars. I know they're poisonous. Okay. Sea stars are actually poisonous, guys.
I'm doing it now.
These are Patrick stars.
Catch all these starfish.
Guys.
Put it back. You don't know who get in here.
True.
So let's go.
Okay, let's go back to the
And they build a chair. You can see they build the chairs. And they got benches where they build.
Yes.
I should do that.
Yes. Okay, guys, I'm just walking with you.
The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Rain is falling more over on this side. I can't go down because I'm going to fall down. So,
Oh, well.
now I come down. We're going to pour hard. Well, man, you don't see this, we're going to pour hard, right?
Yes, I see the rain pouring hard.
So guys, this is the end of the video.
Yes, because rain falling hard and the water getting harder, harder, harder.
Higher, higher, Romina.
Higher, higher. Anyways, bye guys. Peace. You are cut hard with this water.
Far we come from.